Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your stocks with Charles Schwab easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your stocks with Charles Schwab, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Trade tab at the top of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Options to explore protective strategies. Next, identify the specific stock you want to protect by entering its ticker symbol in the search bar. Once the stock appears, click on it to access detailed information. On the Stocks page, locate the Trade button again and select it. In the Order Entry section, choose Buy to open if you're looking to purchase protective options. Select the expiration date for your option. This usually depends on your timeline for protection. Now, choose the option type. A put option is commonly used for protection. Input the number of contracts you wish to purchase, based on your existing stock holdings. Next, specify the strike price for the put options. A strike price close to your stock's current market price is often recommended. Review the order details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Choose your order type, such as market for immediate execution or limit for a specific price. Click Review Order to double-check all information. If everything looks good, click Submit Order to execute the trade. After the order is filled, monitor your portfolio to track the protective positions. This will help you manage risk in your investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.